Yeah, what's good, guys? Welcome back to another video. It's been a while, but today we're doing something to the 340. Take a guess. Yep, you guessed it right. Downpipe and a tune. Right now the car is fully stock, engine mods wise. All it has right now is just, well, technically a mod is the M performance exhaust. So on sports mode, kind of does a little bit of spang. I don't know if you guys could hear that. So that's fully stock, no downpipe, no nothing, just the performance exhaust. So the downpipe we're putting on today is obviously the VRSF. Yeah, I'm kind of excited because I haven't heard just the M performance exhaust with the downpipe yet. I'll try to get some before clips, just the car standing. So I'm on the way to CJ's shop right now. He's gonna be the one putting it on because I can't do it anymore. Too busy. So the car's just in park right now in sport mode, and this is what it sounds like when you rev it. Just got a little bit of burbles, that's it. Let me try to get the clip from the outside. I guess that was enough. Let me actually try to pull into his garage now so we can get this started. Oh, just pulled up to CJ's shop. Izzy's here for some reason. Sorry about the compressor sound, but I thought I got the heat shielded one, but I didn't. So if you guys are in New York City, I guess, anything done to your car, hit up CJ. I'm gonna leave his info in the screen and in the description. He does everything for the good prices. So yeah, anything you need, just hit him up on IG, then he'll give you prices. Oh, this is what I was talking about. It's a little rusty, but as you can tell,
it's a M340i.
Alright guys, I don't know if you can hear me, but let me open up the downpipe. So for Xotic's N55 on his 330, we put these on, the spacers. So this kind of tricked the system to think he still has cats. So I'm gonna try it on the B58, see if it works. If it does, I'll let you guys know. But all it does is like space out the O2 sensor, that's about it. But so Izzy had these on his car for like, it's been like a few months already, like 3-4 months, and no check engine light yet. So if it works on the B58, I guess that'd be kind of cool. His car's a 2013. Obviously this is 2018. So I guess it still bolts on. It's the same thread pattern. And also these, you can just pick it up from your local Advanced Auto Parts. They have it, most of the time they have it in stock. But yeah, let's see how that goes. Bolts right on. Also inside, you gotta put mesh in. Depends on how much you want to put. I don't really know how much to put, but you definitely have to put mesh inside. But yeah, the car is still cooling down right now. So I guess all the clips you guys saw me going pop, 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 pop. Yeah, it wasn't even that far of a drive. It was like 10-minute drive, but he's just letting it cool down. So as soon as that cools down, the downpipe will be out. Unlike the N55, the B58s are a lot easier to do the downpipes. So, carbon fiber, not carbon fiber, carbon fiber, carbon fiber, carbon fiber, carbon fiber, carbon fiber. Alright guys, we're gonna go grab something, but this is Izzy's F30 N55 with the Architunes front mount. Holy shit, that something's blazing right now. I don't know if you guys could pick up that sound, but that shit sounds wild. Alright guys, I don't know if you could hear me, but we put the mic right here, and that's starting to get big. If you haven't watched the video, go watch it right now. There was no video on YouTube basically, that's why I made that whole video, but the mic's right here. Let's see how it sounds. I don't know if if you guys heard the clip, but that shit was ass. It was mostly wind noise, but you guys get the point.
Told him that's a dub, I want God, that's my word. Pressing on that pedal till it hurts, no reverse. Devil hand out to the hearse, that's a curse. I can't mess around with shorty, that's a dub. She like Xotic, kept on calling, but you stay ignoring me. Girl, you wasn't on my mind, I push you out.
Alright guys, that's the difference. That's some fat boy right there. But I don't know if I mentioned this before, but this car is from Canada. So every single goddamn bolt was rusted. So that took a while to take off, but it's out now. It's out now. Guys, just finished. Everything's back together. Time for the cold start. That took a while, only because of rusted bolts. But we could do a rev video now, the after. So pull up in the back.
I look good and I'm chocolate. I can kick it with no.
Alright guys, it's gonna be the end of the video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Peace out.
She my foreign, hey, singing to it like I'm Drake, Ashen Martin. Got some people wanna beef, but won't start it. Nah, I got Jesus on my side, won't be starving. All that brother stuff that made me nauseous. Put a knife inside your back, so just be cautious. Had so much trust in these people when Lokino, they were evil, so I had to take a step back, I was awful.